Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to Instagram following problem. Can't follow anyone on Instagram. Follow button not working or says try again later. Here's how to fix it. Instagram has a follow list. You can only follow a certain number of accounts per day. If you follow too many people too fast, Instagram will block you. If this happens, stop following for 24 to 48 hours. Following too fast looks like spam. Rapid follow, unfollow, liking too many posts at once, slow down and act like a normal user. Remove third-party apps or bots. Follower, app and bots can cause problems. Solve that. Go to the setting of your Instagram, then find app and website. Remove any app you don't recognize. To refresh your account, log out from Instagram. For that, go back to settings and scroll down to the bottom, tap on logout, then close your app, wait a few seconds, then log back in. A poor internet connection can stop follow requests. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn on airplane mode and turn it back off. An older app version can cause bugs. Go to the app store, check for the Instagram update. If it is updated, then delete the app and reinstall it. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.